Great, this is a powerful skill to learn, especially if your goal is to sell AI automation services to businesses and build wealth. I'll give you a clear, practical 30-day plan from beginner gives advance gives making money. 30-day AI automation mastery plan. Week E. Foundations days 1到7. Goal: understand what AI automation is and learn basic tools. Day 1 to 2. Understand AI automation. Learn what AI automation means. Using AI plus tools to do tasks automatically, emails, customer replies, data entry, etc. Watch beginner videos, YouTube, AI automation for beginners. Example: a business receives messages, gives AI replies, automatically gives, saves time. Day 3 to 4. Learn no-code tools. Focus on beginner-friendly tools. Zapier. Make Integromat. What to do? Create a free account. Learn how to connect apps, for example. Gmail gives Google Sheets. Day 5 to 7. Learn AI tools. ChatGPT. Google Sheets. Practice. Use ChatGPT. 2. Write emails. Generate replies. Connect ChatGPT with automation tools. Week 2. Build real automations, days 8 to 14. Goal: start building simple working systems. Day 8 to 9. Email automation. Build auto-reply system for emails. Example: customer sends email, gives AI replies automatically. Day 10 to 11. Social media automation. Build auto-post system. Example: write content with AI, gives posts automatically daily. Day 12 to 14. Lead generation system. Build collect leads, names, emails, store in Google Sheets, send automatic follow-up messages. Now you're already doing what businesses need. Week 3. Advanced skills, days 15 to 21. Goal: become more powerful than beginners. Day 15 to 16. Learn prompt engineering. How to talk to AI properly. Practice writing. Better instructions. Business level outputs. Day 17 to 18. Build chatbots. Tools: ManyChat, Tidio. Build WhatsApp, website chatbot, auto customer support. Day 19 to 21. Connect multiple systems. Build a full workflow. Website form, gives AI processes, gives emails sent, gives data saved. This is real AI automation system, high value. Week 4. Make money, days 22 to 30. Goal: start earning from your skill. Day 22-23. Choose a niche.